Outrage and apparently some sympathy in Sandy Bay, Hanover, where a church leader was charged last week with 7 counts of rape. The police have not released the church leader's name, but residents of Barnes Lane are divided on the issue. TVJ's Kirk Wright reports.
We went to Barnes Lane where the church leader was arrested and discovered the people there and those from surrounding areas have plenty to say about his arrest, just not on record. One thing's for sure, the community seemed to know him well enough to share details about his activities in the community, which we won't mention here. We're also told the church leader goes by 3 names, none of which we will mention at this time. But for the most part, many were very protective of him, saying he is a kind and good man. Others condemned the alleged actions for which he has been charged. The community has also given the impression that there is much more to the church leader's arrest. They argue that the police need to dig deeper, and some believe that more arrests need to be made. People who say they had frequent contact with him say he's very mannerly, explaining that he would never pass them without sharing pleasantries. Also based on what most have said, including a woman who said she's a former member of the church, there's clearly a leadership rift in the church. The church leader is said to be from Montego Bay, where he left one church to join the church in Sandy Bay. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.